You are about to make 40k to 50k or even more using this crypto arbitrage opportunity. Let's go, guys. What's up, beautiful people? Now in today's video, I'm going to show you simple steps you are going to take in order to make up to 40k to 50k or even more on a daily basis using this crypto arbitrage opportunity. All right, now in today's arbitrage we are going to be making use of one single platform in today's arbitrage, but don't worry, I'm going to disclose the name of the platform as we proceed. All right, now should in case you are coming across this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. I create content around online and offline business and how you can be able to make money online and offline. All right, now I would want you to join this beautiful family by smashing the subscription button. Yes, I'm talking to you that is watching this video right now. Go ahead and smash the subscription button. Click that subscription button, and then after you must have clicked the subscription button, I would want you to click on that bell notification beside the subscription button. All right, yes, what the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we drop awesome content just like this one you are watching. Then to my returning subscribers, I would want to seize this opportunity to say I appreciate you are always coming back to my channel each time you get notified of a new video. I want to tell you that I don't take you for granted. All right, now before jumping into this video, I want you guys to use 3 seconds of your time. All right, just use 3 seconds of your time as I'm counting to smash the like button of this video. Yes, that's how we do it. All right, go ahead and click the like button of this video to show appreciation. Now the reason why I say you have to click the like button is that the value you are going to get in today's video is going to be awesome. Right now as I speak, just go ahead, click the like button of this video in appreciation, and we'll proceed. Now the platform we are going to be making use of is Binance. Let me quickly log into my Binance. If you do not have Binance account, I'm going to leave a link in the description, so you use the link to create an account on Binance. All right, so the platform we're going to be making use of is Binance. So let me quickly log into my Binance account. Let's go, guys. Now we are in my Binance account, and the next place I would want you to click on is over here, which is P2P trade. All right, that is where I want you to click on. Now we are in Binance P2P trading, and each coin you click on, you are going to see a whole lot of merchants selling that particular coin. This is USDT, and when you scroll down, you are going to see a whole lot of merchants selling USDT. All right, let's click on Bitcoin, which is BTC, and when you still scroll down, you are going to see a whole lot of merchants selling Bitcoin, BUSD, BNB, Ethereum, and the rest of them. You are going to see a whole lot of merchants selling each coin you click on. Now the question is, these people, are they just selling this coin for fun's sake? No, these people are actually making a killing every single day. They are making a whole lot of money every single day selling or buying coin from you. All right, now for a normal person, when you come to Binance P2P trading, is either you are coming to buy coin or you are coming to sell coin, right? Is either you are coming to buy coin, and if you are coming to buy that coin, you are coming to buy that coin from a merchant, one of these merchants that you are seeing here. And if you are selling, you are still selling to one of these merchants. All right, now that is what normal persons does when you come to Binance P2P. Normal person like you and I, that is what we do. All right, if you are buying coin, maybe you will have a dip and you want to buy coin. Maybe when it rises, you are going to sell, or maybe someone sends coin to you on Binance using your wallet. You're coming to sell the coin, so you get money transferred into your local bank account. That is what normal person like you and I does whenever we approach P2P trade, Binance P2P trade. Right now, for a normal person, this is buy. All right, which means you are coming to buy a coin. This is buy, it's at buy. That means you are coming to buy a coin for a normal person. And when you click on sell, for a normal person like you and I, we are coming to sell our coin. Right now, for this merchant that you are seeing right now, let me call them abnormal persons or abnormal merchants. All right, let me take it, but they are not abnormal though. Now this buy option of this P2P, all right, for a merchant is not actually buying. They are not actually buying. Rather, they are selling coin to normal people like you and I. All right. Buy option for this P2P is sell option for merchants. I don't know if you are getting me. Now, for this sell option, all right, for a merchant, all right, for this merchant that you are seeing right here, they are actually buying coin. All right, for a merchant, they are using buy option to sell coin to normal people like you and I. And when it comes to sell option, these merchants are using sell option to buy coin from normal people like you and I. Now I'm going to show you how they are making money buying and selling this coin using Binance P2P trading. I want you to click the like button of this video to show appreciation. I told you are going to be getting a whole lot of value in today's video, right? Go ahead and smash that like button of this video to show appreciation. And if you're still here to join this awesome family, this beautiful family, do it to smash the subscription button to join this wonderful family. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you always get notified. Let's go, guys. I believe you've liked the video and I believe you also subscribe to the channel. Let's proceed, guys. So I'm going to click on sell. All right, so we are going to practicalize and for me to show you how these people are actually making money. All right, so you can also join this and start making money for yourself. All right, so you are going to leave the league of normal people and become abnormal people. All right, since abnormality is now giving money. All right, let's go, guys. So let's say that I want to sell my Bitcoin to any merchant of my choice here. Okay, so if I should sell my coin to this particular merchant, that means this merchant is going to be sending money to my local bank account. All right, and remember that sell option for merchant means that this particular merchant is buying my Bitcoin. Okay, if I should sell my Bitcoin to this person, it means that this merchant is buying, and when it comes to buy, that means this merchant is selling Bitcoin to me. Okay, so that means I want to sell my Bitcoin to this particular merchant, and let's say that the Bitcoin that I want to sell to this particular merchant is 0.03 maybe 740,457 worth of Bitcoin. So for 0.037404 worth of Bitcoin, we are going to be getting this in our local bank account, 800,026 naira. As you can see it over here, 800,026 naira. That is what we are going to be getting, 800,026 naira. Just pen it down so you'll be following. All right, so let's assume that we've sold this Bitcoin to this particular merchant. The next thing this merchant is going to do is to sell this same Bitcoin that we just sold to him or her using this particular platform called Binance. Okay, so we've sold this coin to this particular merchant, and the next thing the merchant is going to do is to sell it. So using the buy option. Remember, when it comes to buy for a merchant, it means that this merchant is selling his or her Bitcoin. Okay, when it comes to sell, that means this merchant is buying Bitcoin from normal persons like you and I. Okay, now this merchant has gotten the BTC and the merchant wants to sell it. Okay, now the merchant is going to come here in order to sell this BTC. So we're going to use filter to type the amount, let's say 900,000. Okay, click on confirm so we can be able to find merchant that will sell from that amount. So we're going to choose a particular merchant. Let's use this first one. Okay, so we are going to click buy crypto and we're going to type in that same quantity of Bitcoin or the amount of Bitcoin which we sold to that particular merchant, which is 0.03740457. Okay, now as you can see over here, this merchant has made 4,000 naira from this Bitcoin that we just sold to this person. All right, we sold our Bitcoin and the merchant that bought this Bitcoin for 800,026 naira, and this merchant has gone ahead to sell this particular Bitcoin that we just sold to him or her, and look at the amount this merchant is going to be getting, or this merchant is making 4,000 naira profit. 4,000 naira profit. And one thing about Binance is that its P2P market is always selling on a regular basis. It doesn't take time. When it comes to Binance P2P, if you want to sell, if you want to buy, it is very, very quick. You are selling and you are buying immediately. All right, it doesn't take time. So imagine how many times this particular merchant will be selling, buying and selling this coin. So let's assume that this particular merchant for a day, this person must have sold, let me say, done transaction of 10 transaction, buying and selling. Let's calculate and see how much this person is going to be making using my calculator. Stay with me, guys. So this merchant is going to be making 4,000 naira per transaction. And let's say for a day, this person chose to do 10 transactions. So this person is going to be making 40,000 naira on a day. 40,000 naira daily just for 10 transactions. And I believe this person is going to do more than 10. This person might even choose to do like 20. All right, I want you to do something for me. I want you to click the like button of this video. Yes, like I told you earlier, you are going to be getting a whole lot of value into this video. Smash the like button of this video. Yes, go ahead and smash the like button of this video to show appreciation. And if you are still here to join this awesome family, yes, if you are still here to join this beautiful family, go ahead, smash the subscription button of this channel to show appreciation, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you always get notified. All right, let's jump back straight into this video. Now, the next thing I would want you to do is this. I want you to start buying and selling coin as a merchant. All right, stop being a normal person when it comes to Binance P2P trading. Okay, normal person, what they do is to buy and sell. That's it. They might not even be making profits. Okay, but this time around, I want you to be acting as a merchant. I want you to become merchant in Binance P2P. Okay, so how do you become a merchant? In order to buy and sell and make this profit that this merchant is making. All right, now the next thing I want you to do is I want you to click over here. Okay, I want you to click over here. You are going to be creating an ad. All right, you are going to be creating an ad, and the first time you are going to be creating this ad, you are not going to be a verified merchant. You're just going to be a normal merchant, but you are still going to appear as merchant. Okay, now we are going to be creating an ad, so you have to click here in order to create an ad. Now once you click here, this is the interface you are going to see, and I want you to click here next, which is post an ad. Okay, click on post an ad. Now once you click on ad, this is the interface you are going to be seeing. I want you to leave this at buy. All right, now over here is for you to select the coin you would want to buy. Okay, be it BTC, be it Ethereum, any coin of your choice, and I would want you to also leave this at fixed. Now over here, I want you to set your price. Okay, set your price, the amount you would want to sell. Okay, and then setting your price, I want you to set it based on what other merchants are selling. But the bonus tip I'm going to give you when setting your price is that I want you to set it and make it to be slightly below the price other merchants are selling, because this is going to enable you to appear at the top. All right, any person that is coming to buying, there's tendency of that person choosing the first merchant at the P2P trading. So for you to reduce your price slightly below other merchants, it is going to enable you to appear at the top, and that is going to make you to sell very, very fast. I wouldn't want this video to take time. If you want me to make detailed video on how to create an ad on Binance P2P trading, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to make a separate video talking about posting an ad on Binance P2P trading. Give this video a like. Like I said earlier, you're going to get a whole lot of value in today's video. And then if you're yet to join this beautiful, awesome family, go ahead and smash that subscription button that you're seeing right there. Smash the subscription button, then don't forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button so you get notified anytime we drop awesome content just like this one you watched. Now I created video showing simple steps you can be able to take for you to make ranging from 30, 40 to 50k daily or even more using crypto or dollar arbitrage method. And I'm going to link this video right now on the screen. Okay, so do well to click that video you are seeing right now on the screen for you to see step by step which I've laid for you to make up to 50k to 100k on a daily basis using crypto arbitrage or dollar arbitrage. Okay, click this video you are seeing right now on the screen and I'll see you there. Let's go, guys.